This restoration technique is awe-inspiring. I never expected such an old tractor to look brand new again with just some simple repairs. This 1980s tractor was bought as a scrap vehicle for 20,000 rupees. Although it looks completely different now, with all its metal parts rusted through, the repair shop master in Pakistan said it's a minor issue. Before starting the repairs, the masters need to dismantle all the exterior parts of the tractor to facilitate the subsequent repair work. Even though they don't have high-end pneumatic or electric tools, they make up for it with manpower. Each master is responsible for a different part, significantly increasing the overall efficiency of the restoration. After years of use, the critical components of the tractor, such as the engine, gearbox, and bearings, may have severe wear and tear or aging, requiring repair or replacement. The new parts need to match the original system to ensure compatibility. This requires the Pakistani masters to understand tractor technology in depth to ensure that no issues arise during subsequent use. Thanks to their large workforce, dismantling all the exterior parts of the tractor's front end only took 10 minutes. The engine also needs a thorough overhaul to restore the tractor to its peak condition. The masters disassemble the engine, inspect each part, repair what needs to be repaired, and replace what needs to be replaced, ensuring the owner can use it with peace of mind. Disassembling the engine is a meticulous process that requires professional skills. Usually, an experienced master handles the operation and supervision to prevent any issues during reassembly. Safety is crucial during disassembly, and all relevant procedures and requirements must be followed to ensure smooth progress. Once all the peripheral parts of the engine are disassembled, the engine and gearbox can be separated. Due to the number of workers, a hoist is not needed to handle the heavy engine. 2 steel pipes are enough to dismantle it easily. The disassembled engine then undergoes a detailed inspection to identify parts that need replacing. To expedite the restoration, some of the younger masters disassemble the tractor's rear axle while the experienced master reassembles the engine. Since the crankshaft isn't significantly damaged, the master reassembles it directly. However, the master replaced 3 new pistons because the old ones had too much clearance with the cylinder walls, which could cause issues like power loss and oil burning. After installing the pistons, they check the up and down movement to ensure smooth operation before reassembling the remaining engine parts. This process is relatively simple as long as the disassembly order is remembered. What was removed first is reinstalled last, and what was removed last is reinstalled first. This way, there are minimal errors, as this is a straightforward 3-cylinder diesel engine. Next, they disassemble the tractor's rear axle, removing the gearbox from the frame. These gearboxes are pretty robust, and as long as the internal gears are fine, they only need to change the gear oil, oil seals, and gaskets. To enhance the overall state of the restored tractor, the younger masters carefully remove the rust from the rear axle. Although they don't have advanced tools, their meticulous work stands out. After the cleaning, the gearbox and engine are reassembled and installed back into the tractor. The process involves aligning them correctly, using bolts to secure them, and fixing the gearbox to the rear axle. Installing the engine powertrain involves replacing some small parts to restore the engine to its peak condition. After a series of intense operations, the central part of the engine is assembled. For the next painting step, the tractor body must be cleaned thoroughly to remove grease and grime and make it spotless. Once the cleaning is complete, the masters drive the tractor to the neighboring repair shop for painting. The body attachments must be dismantled again to ensure a detailed painting of each part. The master will spray a rust-preventive primer on the tractor body, followed by a coat of bright paint. By selecting the right paint and carefully controlling the painting process, paying attention to safety and quality, they achieve a high-quality finish that extends the tractor's lifespan. After painting, the remaining parts are reinstalled. Since the original panels and wiring harnesses were damaged, the masters have purchased new ones for replacement. The engine structure is relatively simple, so the installation process is quick. Each part is installed according to its designated position, with minimal errors. After 2 days of hard work, the tractor restoration is nearly complete. How much do you think this fully restored tractor is worth?